Here at Jumbo, safety is paramount. To make sure you get acquainted with the working environment on board Jumbo vessels, we invite you to watch this Safety Induction movie. This movie accompanies the Vessel Safety Handbook and last-minute risk analysis card, which will be handed to you upon boarding the vessel. The last-minute risk analysis card displays the golden rules of our Stay Well safety campaign. Obey the rules, procedures and instructions. Intervene when people are at risk and show respect for each other and the environment. The backside of the last-minute risk analysis card points out the most common hazardous situations which can occur on board our vessels. You are strongly encouraged to notify any member of the crew aboard if you encounter any unsafe situation. When visiting our vessels, it is strictly forbidden to be under the influence or in possession of any kind of drugs, harmful or forbidden substances, and alcohol. If you have been prescribed drugs by your physician, the captain needs to receive a copy of your prescription. During your visit on board, you must wear personal protective equipment, which consists of safety shoes with steel toe caps, safety helmet, safety glasses, and high visibility clothing. In addition, depending on the activities undertaken aboard, supplementary protective equipment may be required, such as protective gloves, hearing protection, fall protection, inflatable life jacket. In some cases, the use of a launch, tug, or other small craft is needed to board a Jumbo vessel. There are several safety criteria which such a craft must comply with. Sufficient well-maintained flotation aids and firefighting equipment available. Life jackets must always be worn while on board the craft. For more details, please refer to the Vessel Safety Handbook. Boarding the vessel is done via the gangway, which, depending on the height between the quay and the vessel, might be steep. Please mind your step while climbing the gangway ladder and hold on with both hands to the handrail. In case you're carrying materials which prevent you from holding onto the handrail, please request the gangway watch or any other crew member to assist you. Once on board, you need to register with the gangway watch, who will hand you a visitor's pass. When walking around the vessel, the visitors must be aware of deck openings, lashing eyes, or any other hazards. Please respect the signs indicating the areas where smoking is not allowed. Unless involved directly, visitors must never interfere with ongoing operations on board the vessel, as this may lead to hazardous situations. Standing close to any lifting operation should be avoided. Make sure you keep a safe distance between yourself and the lifted cargo. Standing underneath a suspended load is strictly prohibited at all times. The railings might be temporarily removed in order to load or unload, which poses a risk of falling. Therefore, you should always mind your step while walking on deck. Prior to entering an unlit area, turn on the lights for your own safety. Do not enter areas that are marked as restricted. At all times, visitors must keep clear of mooring ropes. A mooring rope under tension that breaks can be fatal. Jumbo makes use of a permit-to-work system for hazardous activities. Please make sure you use the appropriate fall protection equipment when working at height. When the heavy lift operation alarm sounds, you are to leave the ship unless instructed otherwise by the captain.
Special heavy lift operation start.
Manual handling of lifting and rigging materials should be avoided, as it can result in serious injury. You are advised to make use of aids or tools in order to carry out the job. All Jumbo vessels have a garbage management plan, according to which garbage is segregated. Prior to using chemicals, the material safety data sheets must be consulted. Proper storage of chemicals is mandatory on board Jumbo vessels. All visitors are expected to report incidents or hazardous situations they might encounter on board the vessel to the captain or his deputy. He will make sure that the incident is dealt with appropriately. Please refer to the Vessel Safety Handbook and to the golden rules of our Stay Well safety campaign. Obey the rules, procedures and instructions. Intervene when people are at risk, and show respect for each other and the environment. Thank you for watching this movie. Enjoy your stay on board, and above all, stay well. If you have any questions, please consult one of the vessel's officers.